3, 2, 1, and liftoff.
Alright, just for information, we're showing an impossible situation with the airlock press on Spec66 at 15.8 with an up arrow. And cabin press at 15.3, and I guarantee you the door's still open, so.
Station on 2 premise.
Go ahead on 2.
Safety checks have been completed, and we can now begin turning the rocket slowly toward the east. As we ascend, we're nearing the Earth's atmosphere, and we're noticing a slight increase in temperature. Both fuel tanks are depleting, and we're preparing for stage 1 and 2 separation. The booster has separated, albeit not perfectly, but all systems are safe with no issues detected. Stage 2 separation for the fuel tank is successful, and the second engine has started smoothly. We're adjusting the trajectory for the low Earth orbit. We're now ready for the final step, opening the communication antenna. Receiving all data without any loss, and our journey to Mars will commence from now on.
Impossible situation with the airlock press on Spec66 at 15.8 with an up arrow. And cabin press at 15.3, and I guarantee you the door's still open, so.
Station on 2 for MSG.
Go ahead on 2.
As we ascend higher, we're preparing for Earth orbit insertion, a pivotal moment that allows us to position ourselves for the journey ahead. This maneuver will enable us to gain momentum and trajectory, paving the way for our mission to Mars.
Understand, BD, I guess that'd be B2, say again, Al. Guess that B2 wants to use B2 and D2, huh? That's affirmative. And we'd like you to hold the spin up until we, we're able to give you a go for spin up now.
We are leaving our beautiful Earth behind.
I understand, the rates are favorable for spin up now.
We can see our moon on the left. And there, in the distance, is the planet Mars looming ahead. As we draw closer to the red planet, it's fascinating to note that Mars gets its distinctive color from iron oxide, also known as rust, covering its surface. The thin atmosphere on Mars is mostly carbon dioxide, with traces of other gases like nitrogen and argon.
And we'll hold off on any of the still work if it comes up before we talk to you.
And we're trying to get everything consolidated and get a cohesive set of questions to ask you before we come to you with them.
IDs for the PPO2 Alpha and Bravo on the backup course warning to...
Mars has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. Our first stop will be the dwarf moon Deimos, characterized by its cratered surface and relatively smooth terrain.
See you there. KSP2 circuit breaker swing close 05. And the pan camera mode switches and standby. So would you like us to go to step 3? Roger that. Appears to be the problem. Stand by and I'll see what you want to do. Okay.
Afterward, we'll adjust our trajectory to visit the second dwarf moon, Phobos, which features an irregular shape and a series of grooves and crater chains across its surface.